Today we start the process of taking these 3 solar panels down. We've ordered new ones. These are Kyocera 140 watt solar panels. There's 3 of them. We are going to go to 2 Renogy 450 watt bifacial solar panels. What they look like. We're just trying to get where we have more power capabilities. So start the process of getting them down.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. That's feeding out. That one's feeding out. Okay. Foster. Come on. Red light coming in, tied in. Boom. Alert. Wire. Yeah, okay.
We need
Yellow. Was ground. Yellow ground here. Going out. I think it's wired backwards inside. I don't know if they changed it.
We'll fix it right. Maybe that's why it wasn't holding enough power for us. Those are the 2 that go into the battery.
Into the
controller. So we'll have to run the new wire down because each one of these solar panels will have its own separate charge controller. They're both going to be Victron 150 solar charge controllers, and each panel will have its own, so we will have to run wire through our arch and down into the engine compartment, which may be more difficult than we realize, but we're going to see what we can do. So time to get the panels off of this and down. Not a lot holding it, is it? I would think it would with the wind. They don't see, there's nothing out here this way.
It's a rivet. There's there.
They riveted it?
Yep. Yeah, they did. I know.
Okay.
Yep. Why not?
So you have to drill those out, right? What he's talking about. Is on these front corner clips, they riveted the solar panel instead of bolting it. So now I'll have to drill those out. Rain. It's a pretty day, wind blowing, water's pretty. You can see down quite a ways today. It's pretty clear. Pretty nice. Nice day to work on the boat. That let it loose. Yeah, putting big solar panels up.
Are you putting bigger ones up?
Yeah, we had 3 140 watts
Yep.
that were 12 years old. These are Renogy 450 bifacials.
Yeah, well, I just put 2 of those up about 3 weeks ago. Fine. We put four of them up.
4 of them.
On a frame, yeah, on a leopard. They're nice panels, and I'm looking at them thinking for my boat, those would be really nice.
We weren't sure we wanted the bifacial, but we knew we wanted to get as close to 1,000 watts as we could that would fit on
Yeah.
here, and these would.
I think, once the dinghy's off there, you'll benefit from a bit
Well,
of...
and we think we might get some reflection off the dinghy even.
Right, yeah. They made for snow, for snow.
Yeah.
They're nice panels.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So just trying to get over the frame put up to hold them.
Yeah, those things, they weigh quite a bit.
I shopped.
Yeah.
My fires.
During my pocket.
All right.
Down bars. That'll work. I'd rather that we had both. Finish putting your ones, the ones holding it side to get side. These go through here that you were doing. You did this one. I figured you were gonna do more. I didn't know. Okay. It's temporary. I gotta go get some more bolts so we can get it bolted. But we're making progress. Putting in our second solar charge controller. I have one here, and this one is going to go here. So each panel will have its own charge controller. These are the readings from our Victron controllers shortly after we got it installed. As you can see, there's two controllers. We have a front and a back. The front was our original controller, and it is showing more than the 420 watts that our original panels could have given us. So we have more than doubled our power. Then to continue with this more power thing, we added 5 8D Renogy 12 volt AGM batteries, 4 for our house bank, 1 for our starter, and we'll have more on this in a coming episode. But I'll let you watch us unbox the first battery. It's definitely packed well, isn't it?
I'm hoping to find the battery. Oh, there it is.
You got stickers. Look at stickers on the boat. Each each of these weigh 130 pounds. So it was quite fun getting them out of their boxes, down to the dock, and then onto the boat. Got it? Yeah. Can you help you get it further?